It's filled. Everyone just move your cursor to keyword. That would be great. Quickly, guys. Those you 3 5 move your cursor uh, to keyword so that it's not disturbing. The next thing over here, you can see all the competition has almost 5 zeros along with it. So what we will do is for easy understanding because we don't get confused with numbers. Okay, we will divide each value by a lakh. Okay, 5 zeros so that it becomes easier for us to read the numbers at least. Okay, because it will take me a lot of time. I don't know how many zeros are there. So I have to wait a lot for that. Okay. So this, whether it's plus lakhs or not, doesn't matter. I have written competition by 1,000 and I will hide this row. Okay. So now the competition is very, very huge.
This is competition by lakh.
Yeah. You can divide by lakh, 10 lakh, a crore as well. That depends. Okay. So it's just for easiness to read. Nothing beyond that. Okay. So now you got the competition. Now you know the monthly searches. The same way we will try to find keywords which has low competition. Okay. So what we will do is we will apply the same thing that let's sort. Okay. Keywords from A to Z. Sorry, Z to A. That means largest on the top and smallest on the bottom. And then start taking the average. So if you look at the sum average of it, the average is around 16,700.
1,67,000.
Oh, yeah, 1,67,000. Sorry. 1,67,000, average is 5,400. So we will opt the same formula here that we opt for average monthly searches, that if any value which is affecting more than by 10%, we will not consider in average. So these two values are very close to 10%. So we will not consider that. And then we will consider rest of them. Then you see average has gone down by 50 4,600 instead of 5,400. So whichever values are below that, okay, we will consider them as a correct value. Rest of them as not incorrect value, but very high competition. So let's arrange from A to Z. So the average was coming around 46, 43, 4,400. So anything above that would be considered as a high competition keyword. Okay. So I'm considering it as a high competition keyword and I'm marking them as red. Red doesn't mean that we will not consider them. Okay. Red means the competition is really, really, really high. Okay. Now let me arrange from A to, not A to Z, but Z to A. Okay. We will discuss each one of them in detail. But let's find out the next factor, that is Google Trends. How to find out Google Trends? Google Trends is very simple to find out. Copy the keyword, go on a site called trends.google.com or just type on Google Trends. It will show you a site. Click on that website. See the process very carefully. Type your keyword on which you want to know the trends. Like I want on home loans. Select a country because we are doing specifically for India. So we'll select country, India, and the term as 5 years. Okay. We always see a growth and decline of particular product in 5 year scenario because in 5 years we know the trend. Otherwise, it would be difficult to know the trend. Okay, less than or more than that period. So if you look at this keyword, okay, this 5 years back, except one jump, I don't know why this jump is here. Okay, except that every single time it is in the same range. Okay, around 25%. In last few times it has declined by a very small margin, but it's fine. Okay, so it's a stable keyword kind of. It's not going up, it's not going down. Okay, uh, I'm taking another example of it. Let's change the keyword. Okay, not home loan. It was, what was the keyword? It was home loan. Sorry. Okay, if you look at this keyword again, HC, it's not going anywhere except one peak. I don't know what happened in 2018, but otherwise this keyword was searched same 5 years now. Also stable sort of keyword. Okay. Uh, if I have to give you an example of growth keyword, let me give you an example of it. Let's say digital marketing course. Okay. See the growth. This is a rising or a growth curve. Okay. If I give you an example of declining, I can't remember. Okay. It's somewhere declining. You can see it was somewhere in initially between 75 to 50 value. Then after a few years, it was between 50 to 25, and still it's struggling to remain into that. That is 50 to 25. So it's a declining graph. So this is the difference. If the value is continuously dropping, it becomes a declining one. If it is rising continuously, it's a rising graph. So we have to categorize all the Google trends into that value. That we are left with 9 minutes. So you can fill it after the class. Okay. Each one of you five keywords, take it and fill it. The next factor, which is the value of this, that monetary value of this keyword. What is that monetary value? This is a very interesting thing. It can be challengeable keyword. Like somebody searching a home loan, does it shows any intention of taking a home loan? No. When somebody is searching house loan, does it shows an intention of taking a home loan? Interest rate, there is some more intentions. Okay, lowest home loan interest rate shows some more interest. Okay, a keyword like apply for home loan. Okay, this is a monetary keyword which has a very high chances of user to take a loan. So it has a monetary value. What is the monetary value? Monetary value is subjective here. You have to read the keyword and try to understand what is the intention of the user in journal. Because there are 90,000 searches, that means 90,000 different minds are searching in a different manner. But you have to try to predict you have to try to gauge that and try to identify whether it's a monetary value. Monetary value means need for you in this case, okay, or a business for you in every other case. Will you get that business or not? So like apply for a high home loan. Yes, it has a high monetary value. Home loan interest rate 2019 medium. Why medium? Because it shows somewhere that he wants to take a home loan, like something like best home loan. Yes, it has some intention, but not very high. Okay, cheapest home loan. Now, a lot of people will say it is medium, but I would say high. Because when somebody is searching for a cheapest home loan, he searches in only one condition, I believe, is that when he is looking to buy that. Okay, apply home loan, so it's direct, very clear that it is high. Okay, online home loan is very good chances that he's looking to apply for it. Okay, like this, you can identify which keywords according to you have high monetary value, which has medium monetary value, which has low monetary value. Like it has low monetary value home loan. Home loan is just maybe he wants to know the information. Okay, home loan interest, medium, you can put it into lowest home loan interest. I put generally in high, medium, interest, maybe uh, medium. Wherever I am depicting it, like if user is searching for interest rate, I'm depicting it as medium. If he is saying apply, then I'm predicting here it as high. And when there is no mention of credit, sorry, interest rate or apply online, I'm considering it as low, like low interest rate, medium, home renovation loan. Uh, it is low. Okay, lowest home loan rate, high. Okay, and this is subjective. This is challengeable. Maybe Aditya thinks somebody searching for lowest may will be considered uh, as a low relevance or low monetary value because everyone always searches lowest. Okay, so those people who are searching for it always search for lowest. But I always feel that somebody is searching. This is my thought. Aditya could have different thought. Ranjana could have different thought. Uh, Other people will have different thoughts. So it's subjective to the business, and people based on your understanding, you can decide. But journal, you have to talk to people, couple of people. If you are not able to identify the monetary value, you talk to different people, and they will tell you that it should come in which category. Okay, you try to ask him कि अगर तुमको interest home loan लेना है तो what you will type. Okay, you take two three values, two three keywords from him, and that gives you an idea कि जब उसे लेना है तो वो किस तरह की कीवर्ड सर्च करता है, जब उसे नहीं लेना और he want information तो वो किस तरह के. Based on that you can set up that this is the monetary values. Okay, the selection part we will do tomorrow. Okay, so everyone just fill this Google Trends by today. Okay, and rest a few of you also filled monetary values. Lot of I have filled it, and then tomorrow what we will do is we will talk about it and how to select these keywords. Is that clear to everyone? If you have a question, please raise your hand, uh, or you can type into the chat box. If it is clear, just press one into the chat box.
Sir, we didn't find the graph for home renovation loan.
Home
16th one. 16th one.
16th one. Okay, let's do that also. Okay, in this case, I'm finding it. India home renovation loan 5 years. Maybe you have mistyped it.
Sorry, sir, I didn't find. That's the thing.
No issues. You don't have to be sorry about it.
Okay.
Okay. But maybe you have not selected proper category like India 5 years. Just recheck it. Okay. Or maybe you have mistyped the spelling. So even in this case, if you look at uh, what do you think,
Stable.
guys? Is it
Stable.
okay? Shiva says stable. Rest of you, what do you say? Is stable, rising, or declining?
Kind of declining, I thought.
It's current.
Towards the end, now it is declining.
Okay. What about others? Type into the chat box. No issues. Sudhanshu also declining. Okay. I tell you a fact in this. Okay. Don't consider anything after March. Okay. Because
Yeah,
it's
it's
COVID
because of
19.
COVID, yeah.
Okay. Don't consider any graph after March in India. It doesn't make sense at all. Okay. Before that, it's stable. First thing. Second thing, what this average monthly searches which you see on your screen, okay, this average monthly searches is taken for last 1 year. Okay, if this says that it is declining, this graph says, uh, where is graph gone? If it says it's declining means in this 1 year, then this number which you are seeing 90,000 is after decline. Okay, then in this year, maybe here, if let's suppose this is between 50 to 75, that means that time the searches were much higher than that. Okay, so this keyword which is like 90,000 still better, is it? It's declining also, but still better than the keyword which has 1600 searches. Okay, so this
The
is
graph is showing region wise also, state wise also it is showing.
you can see state-wise also, but whenever you are doing SEO, you do at country level. Reason being that in a state or in a city, the searches are very low. If you look at these searches, which is 1900 in a city or in a state, you will find 100, 150. So then you can't do SEO. And in SEO, most of the times your traffic you get from a specific region, that is all over India. Okay. So if you are ranking in almost every state in India. That is one of the reasons. Okay, guys. I hope everyone have understood, and uh, please fill that. Please fill this sheet. Complete the sheet. We will discuss it tomorrow. And the task for you